Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. For today's episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can log in into the online banking account of PNC Bank. Now to begin with, open any browser and open a new tab. On the search bar, type in pncbank.com and press enter. You will be directed to the official web page of the PNC Bank. Here, once you're at the web page, you click on sign on, and there you will see the pop out where you need to provide your username and the password. You type in the username ID of yours and the password for the account. Then you click on the login and you will get logged in into the online banking account of yours in PNC Bank. Now, just in case if you forgot your user ID or the password for the banking account, you can click on the link below here, forget ID or password. Once you click on that, you will be redirected to the another page where you can go and follow through the instruction that has been provided to recover the ID and the password, and you will have your account recovered. Hope this video was useful and you have learned how easily you can log in into your account and also recover your password and ID. If this video was useful, please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.